In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the bent over reverse fly standing. So firstly, you've got your dumbbells in front of you. What I want you to do is pick them up and start in a standing position. I've got the dumbbells to the sides of me here. So I'm going to do this side onto the camera so you can best see. So firstly, what I want to do is I want to bend my knees and bring my hips back. Now, when I'm bringing my hips back, I want to make sure that I've got a nice neutral spine, so the spine stays straight. And I'm going to put the dumbbells in a position where they're just in front of my knees. Now, in this position with a nice straight back, I'm bracing the core. I'm going to bring these dumbbells directly away from my body and back towards my knees. Away from my body and back towards my knees. Each repetition I do, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together. So you'll be feeling this in the back of the shoulders and also as well in between the shoulder blades when you're doing your repetitions. Make sure to not use momentum, for example, to start using your upper body, to start moving your hips. The hips stay stationary, they're fixed in position, and you do your repetitions out, away from your body and back in. One of the common cheats I'll see with this one is people start off in a really good position. So for example, they're in this position, they're doing their repetitions. As they get tired, they start to creep up. So make sure you keep a set position throughout the whole entirety of the exercise. That's how to do a bent over reverse fly, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.